So good day everyone. So my topic is all about selection sort. So what is selection sort? Selection sort is a simple in place sorting algorithm that divides a list into sorted and unsorted selection and moving it to the end of the sorted element until the entire list is ordered. So find the smallest element and put it in the correct position. So basically, the selection sort is all about finding the smallest element and place it to the first element that from the unsorted array. Then next is so basically the steps is you need to select. Then if you select the smallest element, then you need to swap them, then repeat. So yeah, repeat hanggang sa makita mo na yung smallest and mabuong mo na yung sorted and selection sorted. So yeah, then how selection works, or how selection sort works. Okay, so first is set first position as minimum. So sabi nga tulad ng sinabi ko, di ba, na so ano yung una sa unsorted is yun yung magiging first position niya. So and mo din yung magiging current minimum. Okay, then next is scan the rest of the array. So basically mag-scan ka sa kanyang array. Hanapin mo yung smallest element. Then next is nakita mo na yung smallest element. Then next is need to swap sa first position. So ano yung first position ng unsorted is then yun yung magiging first position ng iyong sorted element. Then you need to swap it. Next is move to the next index and repeat. So ganun lang, no? Repeat ka lang hanggang sa ma-select mo lahat from the smallest to the less than to greater than elements, or the smaller and the biggest element. Okay, so we have here a example. We have three elements here. We have 5, 2, and 4. Okay, so we need to step by step. So step 1, find the smallest. So we need to scan here. So our current smallest is 5. Then next is we need to scan yung tapad niya or katabi niya, so which is 2. So yung 5 is greater than 2. So yung 2 yung magiging current smallest. Then need to scan. So scan na ulit ka sa katabi niya na naman. Then makikita mo na malaki din yung katabi niya. So basically 2 yung magiging smallest element mo. So you need to swap the first position. So ang first position dito is the 5. So we need to swap the 2 and 5. So ang mangyari dito is ang 2 yung magiging first position, then 5, then 4. Next is find the smallest of the 2. Because bakit 2? Bakit dalawa na lang? Kasi natapos mo na yung the smallest element, yung totoong smallest talaga. Then next is, so may dalawang natitira na naman, no? So we need to find the smallest, the next smallest of 2. So nakita natin is yung 4 kasi 5 is greater than 4. So magiging 5 and 4. So nag-swap na sila. Okay? So add natin yung first position doon sa 4 and 5. So magiging yung sorted na natin dito is 2, 4, and 5. Okay? So naintindihan nyo na o wala pa? So kung wala pa, may example pa tayo. So nagdagdag pa tayo ng isang element dito. So makikita natin is 7. Kita natin yung unsorted dito is meron tayong 7, 3, 5, and 1. So repeat din, no, yung ating gagawin. So find the smallest. So 7 is the current smallest. So next is 3. So magiging 3 yung ating current smallest kasi yung 7 is less than yung 7 is greater than 3. So next is 5. So skip natin yung 5 kasi mas malaki yung 5 kaysa sa 3. Then 1. So automatically 1 yung magiging smallest kasi wala namang 0 kasi 0 is a infinite number. So hindi siya belong sa selection sort kasi yung 0 is, so basically in the psychology or any study that 0 is infinite number or 0 is 0. So 1 is the smallest talaga. Okay, so swap natin yung 1, then the first position element. So yung first position element dito is 7. So swap natin yung 7 and 1. So ang mababago dito or yung result dito is ito na, 1, 3, 5, and 7. So step 2 is find the next smallest of the 1, so which is 2. Pero sa pag-scan natin dito is walang 2. Okay, then 3. So basically is di na tayo mag-sort nito kasi nakasunod-sunod na siya. So ito, no, nakasunod-sunod na siya. So may 3 tayo dito. Then next smallest is 5. Then next is 7. So na-end na natin yung sorting dito. So yung sorted na or selected sorted na numbers dito is ito na yung total niya or ito na yung final niya na sorting. So meron tayong 1, 3, 5, and 7. So kung hindi nyo pa na gets is meron pa tayong example, last example kasi kaya na yung mag-figure out sa ibang digits. So basically yung tinuturo ko lang dito is yung mga simple or mga steps lang niya talaga para malaman nyo or maintindihan nyo kung paano yung selection sort or how the selection sort works. So we have here in the array, okay, we have 2, 3, 5, 1, and 4. So basically ang ating int minimum or current minimum is 2. Okay. 2, and then next box na din tayo, kita natin is 3. So 2 is less than 3. So basically skip natin to kasi mas malaki yung 3 kaysa sa 2. Then next is 5. Basically yung 5 is malaki kaysa sa 2. So skip natin. Then 1. So automatically yung 1 yung magiging smallest element. So hanapin natin yung first position element. So yung first position element dito is 2. So we need to swap them. Swap yung 1 and 2. So yung element na dito or yung array na dito, updated array dito is 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4. Okay. Yung temp dito, temp is temporary yan ha. Baka malito kayo. Kunin natin yung 2, ilagay natin sa temp, then yung 1 na minimum is lagay natin sa first position, then yung 2 is lagay natin doon sa dating position ng 1 kasi sinwap tayo, nag-swap sila eh. Swap natin. Okay. Next is we need to let me hope. Pasensya na kasi wala akong gadget. Dito meron tayo mga materials dito na mga available. So gagamitin natin yung as our gadget. So pasensya na. Okay, next is the next smallest of 1, so which is 2. So nakita natin yung 2, no? So 3. So 3 yung magiging current minimum natin dito. So basically repeat mo lang yung process. Okay, then 5. So basically yung 5 is malaki sa 3. So skip natin. Then 2. So tagpuan na natin yung 2. Then next na natin so basically yung 2. So 2 is the new minimum. So lagay na natin dito sa next. So yung 3 is doon na siya mapupunta sa 2 na lalagyan. Next next is 5. So 5 is our current minimum. Okay, next, so explain natin yung temporary pala, no? Yung end temp. So ano yung end temp? So basically ginamit ko lang yung container na end temp para ma-restore yung dating element na or next position ng smaller element na swapan natin. Kasi mawawala yun sa code mismo. So, nilagay natin sa temporary na variable ng int. Variable na temporary. Then next is 3. So natagpuan na natin yung 3, di ba? So the current minimum of 3 the current minimum is 3. So scan natin sa last is 4, di ba? So 4 is yung greater yung 3 is the current minimum. So na-sort na natin yung tatlo, di ba? So yung 4 is di siya magagalaw kasi mas malaki yung 4 kaysa sa 3. Okay? So basically mag-swap yung 5 at saka 3 kasi mas maliit yung 3 kaysa sa 5 kasi naka-selection sort tayo. Okay, next is 5 is our current minimum. Okay, then next scan natin yung kasama niya. So 4 is less than 5. So basically 4 is the current minimum. So mag-swap na naman sila kasi mas maliit yung 4 kaysa sa 5. So ganun lang kadali, no? So yung ating final sorted natin na selection is meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's all my report is, and the code report code is kang Kuya Adal na po. Okay, so stay hard. Goodbye.